Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how do you add Google review to Wix website. So let's get into the video. So open up your Wix website and then go to the site that you want to add a Google review to. So once you've opened that up, so what you're going to use a third-party application called Elfsight. So it's just ELFSIGHT. So just Google it, you'll get to this site here, elfsight.com. We're going to use this to add our Google review. Okay, so go to this website here, hit on this widgets option, and then under widgets, what you're going to do, you're going to search for Google reviews. So search for Google review. When you search for Google review, you will get this option here. So simply select the Google review option. Okay, and then once that's done, hit on create widget, and then click on create widget. And then once you click on create widget, it's going to get you to this page here. So here what you're going to do, you're going to choose the layout, which template you want. So just choose one and then hit on continue with this template, and then type in the business name. So for example, just type in whatever that's your business is, your name is. So just type that in and then click on add to website for free. So just click on it. So this will now ask you to sign in. You can just sign in with your Google account, that's fine. Okay, so once you have signed in, it's going to take you to the next page here. So just waiting for me to sign these in. Okay, once that's done, okay, so you can now finish up your review. So whatever you want to write and everything, so finish that up. Okay, once that's done, so what are you going to do? Click on it. One sec. So once that's done, hit on publish. Okay, so it's going to ask you to pick up for a plan. So you can just choose a plan that's best suited. For example, this is free, so you can just for demo I'll use this. Okay, choose that, and then okay, so and then it'll get you this code here which you need to copy. So simply click on copy code. Once you copy this code, go to your Wix editor and then open up your editor here. So this is the site I'm going to add it to. So go to your add section here. So simply click on add, and then you can either choose section to page or page. So for example, section to page, add that, and then on your left side menu here, select on HTML embedded. Click on HTML embedded and click on choose any of these options or whatever you want to based on your design. So click on it, and then what you're going to do, you're going to simply paste these embedded, the title you can add it, and then here in the paragraph. So what you can do, you can simply add in your the code that you just added. So add that up, and then all you have to do is simply save it and update it. So once you've updated, so your site will be updated. So you can also, forget to mention, you can adjust wherever you want this review to pop up. So once you get that done and fix it up, and then all you have to do is just hit on update and publish, and that's when your review will be added to your Wix website. And that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.